If you're aiming to sell your home without the hefty commission fees of a real estate agent, a Flat Fee MLS listing could be your answer. This service allows homeowners to list their property on the multiple listing service for a one-time fee. This means your home gains exposure on major real estate platforms like Realtor.com, Zillow, Redfin, and Trulia, without the traditional 5-6% commission. The process begins by choosing a flat fee MLS service, such as Listing. Instead of hiring a traditional agent, you pay a one-time fee to list your home on the MLS and sell FSBO.
Next, you submit your property details, including photos, descriptions, and the listing price, just as an agent would.
Once your home goes live on the MLS, your listing is syndicated to major real estate websites like Zillow, Redfin, and Realtor.com. Buyers and agents will contact you directly, allowing you to manage showings and offers. When you accept an offer, you handle the negotiations and closing, potentially saving thousands in commission fees. The primary difference between a flat fee MLS and a traditional agent is cost and control. With a flat fee MLS, you pay a one-time listing fee, whereas traditional agents charge a percentage of the sale price. This service is ideal for those who want to maintain control over the selling process, from showings to negotiations, without the added expense of a full-service agent. Flat Fee MLS is perfect for FSBO sellers who want to avoid paying full commission. Additionally, investors and experienced sellers who are comfortable handling negotiations and paperwork will find this service beneficial. With Listing, you can list your home on the MLS for as low as $95 one time. This offers maximum exposure at a minimal cost. For more details, you can explore all available plans at listling.com. Selling your home doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With Listling's Flat Fee MLS service, you gain MLS access, massive exposure, and full control of your sale without the hefty commission. List your home today at listling.com and start saving thousands.